Welcome to the show. Welcome to the Ahab Show. This is me on my ABC Carnival Horizon cruise. I decided to try out the Skyride and the ropes course. It was fantastic. Just a quick tip, that was a scale you saw on the ground. They do weigh you. It can't be over 250 pounds. But just remember that when trying to get on the Skyride. And closed-toed shoes are required. And guys, don't forget, this is a physical activity. You will have to pedal this much like a bicycle. It was fairly easy, but some people did have difficulty. As you can see on my left, that was some kind of game area. It was great. It had pool tables, had cornhole, and other things as well. It was fun. Check it out. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, make a comment. Help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Thanks. Hey everybody, this is the Ahab Show, and I'm here with Miss Alexis, who's agreed to be my partner on this. And where are you from?
Ohio.
Ohio. Yeah, we found out you can't be a single rider on this ride. And we have agreed to go together, and she's going to race, and I'm going to win, and that's just the way it's going to work. All right, it'll be fun, exactly. See what I'm saying? Her name's Alexis, not Alexa, but I'm going to try to get her to turn my TV on. Alexis in the run. I gotta catch her.